Kitchen mats offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the top kitchen mats from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision after extensive investigation. I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to watch my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Tired of sore feet after cooking or standing at your desk all day? It's time to upgrade your space with the StepRite kitchen mats, designed for comfort, safety, and style. Whether you're prepping meals, washing dishes, or working at your standing desk, these cushioned anti-fatigue mats provide the support your feet and joints need. The thick, ergonomic padding helps reduce pressure on your back, knees, and ankles, so you can stand longer without discomfort. This two-piece set is perfectly sized to fit high-traffic areas in your kitchen, office, or laundry room. Place one by the sink and the other by the stove for full coverage and consistent comfort throughout your day. Safety matters too. That's why StepRite kitchen mats feature a non-slip bottom that keeps them securely in place on tile, hardwood, or laminate floors. No sliding, no shifting, just steady support where you need it most. And spills? No problem. The waterproof surface makes cleaning quick and effortless. Simply wipe with a damp cloth and your mats look as good as new. They're designed to handle everyday kitchen messes while maintaining their sleek appearance. Durable, easy to maintain, and stylish enough to complement any decor, these mats are more than just kitchen accessories. They're a daily comfort upgrade. If you spend hours on your feet, don't settle for hard floors. Choose comfort, choose stability, choose the StepRite kitchen mats, and feel the difference with every step. Number 2. Are your feet aching after long hours in the kitchen or at your standing desk? It's time to bring comfort back into your daily routine with the Mattitude kitchen mats set of 2. Designed with ergonomic support in mind, these cushioned anti-fatigue mats help reduce pressure on your feet, knees, and lower back. Whether you're cooking dinner, washing dishes at the sink, folding laundry, or powering through work at your desk, Mattitude mats provide the comfort you need to stand longer without discomfort. This convenient set of 2 allows you to cover multiple high-traffic areas in your home. Place one by the stove and one by the sink, or use them in the laundry room or office. The sleek black and gray design blends effortlessly with modern, classic, or minimalist decor, adding both function and style to your space. Safety is just as important as comfort. That's why these mats feature a non-skid backing to help keep them securely in place on tile, hardwood, or laminate floors. No sliding, no bunching, just reliable stability while you move. Spills and messes? No problem. The water-resistant surface makes cleaning quick and easy. Simply wipe with a damp cloth and your mats look fresh and ready for another busy day. Durable, supportive, and stylish, the Mattitude kitchen mats set of 2 is more than just a floor accessory, it's an everyday comfort upgrade for your home. Stand smarter, stand longer, stand comfortably with Mattitude. If you'd like, I can also create a more upbeat commercial-style version or a calm lifestyle storytelling version. Number 3. You know how hard floors can take a toll on your body. Now there's a simple way to add comfort and support to your daily routine with the Kitchen Mat 2PCS Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat. Designed for ergonomic comfort, these cushioned anti-fatigue mats help reduce pressure on your feet, knees, and lower back. The supportive foam core provides just the right balance of softness and stability, allowing you to stand longer with less strain. Whether you're prepping meals at the counter, washing dishes at the sink, or tackling laundry tasks, you'll feel the difference immediately. This two-piece set gives you flexible coverage for multiple areas of your home or office. Place one mat by the stove and the other by the sink, or use them in your laundry room or at your standing desk. The neutral gray color complements any decor style, from modern kitchens to cozy home spaces. Safety is built into every step. The non-skid backing helps keep the mats securely in place on tile, hardwood, laminate, or other smooth surfaces, minimizing slipping or shifting while you move. And when spills happen, cleanup is easy. The waterproof surface resists stains and can be quickly wiped clean with a damp cloth, keeping your space looking neat and fresh. Durable, supportive, and stylish, this Kitchen Mat 2PCS set transforms any hard floor into a more comfortable standing area. Number 4. Introducing the KMAT Kitchen Mat Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Rug, the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and style for your home. Designed with ergonomic comfort foam, these mats provide superior cushioning that helps reduce pressure on your feet, knees, and lower back. Whether you're cooking dinner, washing dishes, or prepping meals, the anti-fatigue support keeps you comfortable for longer. Made from heavy-duty PVC material, the KMAT kitchen mats are built to last. They're waterproof, oil-resistant, and easy to clean. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth and they look as good as new. No more worrying about spills, splashes, or kitchen messes. Safety is just as important as comfort. That's why these mats feature a non-slip backing that helps keep them securely in place on a variety of surfaces. From tile to hardwood floors, you can move confidently without the risk of slipping. This convenient two-piece set gives you flexible placement options. Place one by the sink and the other by the stove, or use them in your laundry room, office, or workspace. The sleek gray design complements modern and traditional decor alike, blending seamlessly into any space. Perfect for kitchens, homes, offices, laundry areas, and more. The KMAT Kitchen Mat isn't just a rug, it's everyday comfort redefined. Number 5. Meet the Comfy Life Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat, your simple solution for all-day comfort. Designed with 3/4-inch thick, high-density foam, this mat provides the perfect balance of softness and support. Whether you're cooking dinner, washing dishes, working at a standing desk, or tackling laundry, the Comfy Life Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat helps reduce pressure on your feet, knees, and lower back. Unlike thin, flat rugs that do nothing for your body, this mat cushions every step. The ergonomic design encourages better posture and improves circulation while you stand. That means less fatigue, less strain, and more comfort throughout your day. Built for real life, this 20 by 32-inch black mat is durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. Spilled coffee, cooking splashes, no problem. Just wipe it down and it looks good as new. Safety matters too. The non-slip bottom keeps the mat securely in place on multiple surfaces, tile, hardwood, or laminate, giving you stability and peace of mind while you move. Its sleek black design blends seamlessly into any kitchen, home office, or workspace. Functional, stylish, and made to last, this mat works wherever you stand the most. Comfort shouldn't be a luxury, it should be part of your everyday routine. Upgrade your kitchen, upgrade your workspace, upgrade your comfort. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.